Welcome back to another video in this channel, the Veltraxon FX. This is the best channel for traders, forex, crypto, gold, XAUSD. Most traders enter the market dreaming about freedom from jobs, freedom for stress, freedom for limb. They see people online posting profit, luxury cars, winning trader, fast money, and suddenly trading start looking easy. But what nobody tells beginner is that the market is designed to destroy emotional people. Every candle tests your patience, every movement attacks your psychology, every loss exposes your discipline. And the painful truth is most traders never lose because of strategy. They lose because of themselves. 19% of traders lose money not because the market is impossible, but because people enter trading with the wrong mindset. They want fast result, fast profit, fast success. Nobody want patience anymore. People open on chart, watch 2 videos, learn one indicator, and suddenly think they can beat the market. But trading is not gambling, trading is not guessing, trading is a psychological war between patience and emotion destroy a prepared trader every single day. Most beginners are decided to experiment. They do not want discipline. They want adrenaline. They want action, constant entries, constant trade, constant movement. Because silence feels breaking, waiting feels painful. But professional traders understand something beginner ignore. The less you trade emotionally, the more money you can actually make. Sometimes the best trade is no trade at all. The market rewards patience, but social media rewards excitement, and this creates danger. Traders people are begin trained to chase dopamine instead of consistency. Everywhere you look online, you see screenshot, luxury lifestyle, hug, profit, fast flips. Nobody shows the losses, nobody shows the stress, nobody shows the years of failure being success, and beginner believe the illusions. Most traders do not even have a plan. They enter randomly, exit randomly, risk randomly, and then blame the market. But the market is not emotional. People are emotional. The market simply reacts to liquidity, fair trade volume. It moves where emotions are strongest, and beginners become liquidity for smarter traders. One of the biggest reasons traders fail is overtrading. They cannot stay away from the charts. They feel like they always need to be answered. The market but more traders to do not mean more money. More emotional traders usually create more losses. Professional wide beginner chase that difference change everything. Another another massive problem is unrealistic expectation. Some people expect to become rich in 1 month. Others believe trading is easy passive income, but real trading take years. Years of mistake, years of learning, years of emotional control. Most people quit before reaching consistency, not because they are incapable, but because they underestimate the process. Discipline is expensive. Emotion That is why emotional traders are everywhere. People break their reels instantly. One loss appears and revenge trading begins. One winning trade appears and greed take control, and suddenly the strategy disappears completely, because psychology always become becomes stronger than knowledge. The market does not care about your feeling. It does not care if you need money. It does not care if you are stressed. It does not care if you are desperate. The market rewards stricter patience, risk management, existence. Nothing else, and this truth is difficult for emotional traders to accept. Money traders are searching for the perfect strategy, but there is no perfect strategy. Even profitable traders losses are normal. The real difference is professional accept losses calmly. Beginner take losses personally, and emotional reaction destroy account faster than bad analysis. Social media created in realistic trading expectations. People see one trader turning into hegemony without understanding the risk behind it. Nobody talks about consistency anymore. Everybody talks about fast profit, and this mindset create gamblers, not traders. A real traders think differently. A real traders protect capital first, because without capital there is no further opportunity. Survival matters more than existence. Long-term thinking matters more than short-term emotion, and that mindset separate professional from beginner. Fear destroys money traders. Fear of missing out, fear of entering, fear of losing, and fear create hesitation. Hesitation create inconsistency destroys confidence. Everything become psychological. Then come greed tells traders to risk too much. Greed tells traders to hold too long. Greed make people forget discipline, and one emotional mistake can erase months of progress. Most traders think success come from intelligence, but trading success mostly come from emotional control. A calm trader with a simple strategy can outperform an emotional trade with advanced knowledge, because execution matters more than information. Patience is one of the rarest skills in trading. People want movement constantly, but market do not provide high quality setup. Step every minute, summit time waiting is the strategy, and beginner struggle to accept that reality. The market traps impatience people. Fake breakout manipulation, liquidity swap. These movements are designated to trigger emotional decision, and emotional traders react instantly. Professional wait for confirmation. Consistency is boring, and that is exactly why most people never achieve it. Real trading is repetitive. There's some rails, there's some discipline, there's some emotional control, again and again. But most people constantly search for excitement instead of mastery. Some traders become addicted to losses, not financially, psychologically. Stress become normal, shows become familiar, and they continue repeating this reactive habit without realizing it. Many traders blame manipulation for every loss, but often the real problem is lack of discipline. The market is not against you personally. Emotional decisions simply create predictable outcome. Risk management save traders, not prediction. Even great analysis can fail, but controlled risk protect survival, and survival allows consistency to grow over time. Beginner focus too much on profit. Professional focus on process, because when the process becomes strong, result eventually follow naturally. Most traders cannot handle boredom, and boredom creates forced traders create emotional entries create unnecessary losses. This cycle repeats endlessly. Trading reveals personality. Impulsive people become impulsive traders, and disciplined people become undisciplined traders. The chart expose emotionally weakness very quick. The truth is painful. Most traders are not ready psychologically for this industry, because trading looks simple from the outset, but internally it is one of the hardest psychological game in the world. Success in trading is slow, very slow, and modern society has at slow progress. People want instant reward, but the market reward delayed gratification. A single disciplined trader can outperform hundreds of emotionally traders, not because they are smarter, but because they remain calm when other panic. That emotionally stability change everything. If you truly want to become profitable, stop chasing excitement, stop searching for magic indicator, stop believing social media fantasy, and start mastering yourself. Because trading is mostly psychology, the market will always test you, your patience, your discipline, your emotion, and most people fail those tests. That is why 90% loss, but the way you survive, the way you stay disciplined, the way you control emotion, eventually become consistently profitable. Welcome to Veltraxon FX.